January 10th. It is a Thursday, and after I take you through the account, I'm going to show you how to set up a call debit spread. And by the way, this is the video log. It takes 30,000 to a million. And yeah, it's going to happen. So if you want to stick around, it's cool. So I want to show you how to set that up in case you want to, and what some of the benefits are and some of the drawbacks of setting this kind of trade up. It's pretty profitable. One of the listeners actually commented about trying to do this on silver, and I thought it was a pretty good idea. I didn't do it myself. I just bought calls on silver, as you may find out in a second. But it's something you could try. I'm trying to find an opportunity to use this particular strategy a couple of times just to test it out, because I don't usually do it. But I'll show you how to set it up right now, and you can try it out on your own and see if it makes sense for you. It's kind of a low cost way of doubling your money or at least, and making some gains without too much risk and not a lot of movement in the market. So here it is. We're gonna do it right now. I'm gonna go to, of course, Apple, the most traded company out there. So you're gonna click option trades right down here. On the phone, it's even easier. You just again click on the lowest. There is a program that you can put the phone screen on the computer screen, but I don't have it right now. I should install it, honestly, but anyway. So you're gonna go under options, and what you're gonna do is, of course, like you do any option strategy, you want to pick the date. First things first. Let's stick with January 17th for now. You can see here, once you click this button here, the buy and a call is the same thing on the app on the phone. You'll get a list of all the different options that you could purchase. It's like shifting through Amazon on the type of product that you want, and you just clicked on shoes and black, and it shows you a list of black shoes. Okay. Don't let all these numbers scare you. They're just different products. You can think of them like different products listed on Amazon, okay? And this is the price over here. This is exactly the same crap. All right, so here it is, a $315 call, and I'm gonna buy this. Okay, so I click here, or on the phone, you're gonna click the select button first, so you can select multiple options, and then you're going to click buy on the 315 call. And if I just bought this call, it would cost me $236. By the way, I apologize, I'm still sick. I know, it's super annoying. It would cost you $236, and Apple price would have to go above 317.36 in order for you to make any profit on this at all. The break-even point, 370.36, and it's going to cost you $236 to get into this, right? So it's kind of expensive. That's a lot of money, right, to make to buy a call on Apple, especially for such a short duration. Usually the longer the duration is, the more expensive the call. Just quickly to show you, a 315 call for July 17th would be $2,088. A lot more expensive. Going back to January, we just bought a 315 call for $236, and now we're gonna sell the one above it. We're gonna sell a call above it at the $317.5 level, and you'll see that there's been some adjustments here. Even Robinhood, being the intelligent app that it is, recognize what I'm doing here, and it's naming it call credit spread. Look, if I unclick it, it just says long call. It's a very intelligent program. Call credit spread. All right, so what does this do? If I click continue here, you'll see that my total cost for this will be $68 to initiate this trade, and it will cost me $68 to collect the difference in gain between the 315 level and a 317.5 level of Apple stock. Okay, you guys get that so far? So that's what I'm gonna be getting. So it's like $250 or something like that. All right, if it goes all the way to 317 and a half. All right, so that's that is my potential gain. And so basically I have a chance to a little bit more than double my money if you subtract the cost of the trade. Only and Apple only needs to move to 317.5. Let's take a look at a different one here. All right, let's undo this. And let's purchase the 312.5, and then we're going to sell the one above it, the 315. So you can see the price now is a little bit higher. It's $89, but I've moved my trade closer to the strike price being just the current price. I've moved my trade closer to the actual price, so I won't need such a big move in order to make some money. Now, subtracting this trade, I don't know if I'll be able to minus 416. Yeah, so I'll basically be doubling, not a little more than doubling, but basically be doubling my money if Apple reaches 315 by January 17th, okay? I'm participating in the gains of Apple between 312.5 and 315. So what would happen if Apple closes on January 17th below the 312 level 0.5? I lose my premium. I lose 89. What happens? What happens if it closes above 315? Then I'll get the full potential winnings, which would be, 250 minus 89. And what would happen if it lands somewhere in the middle? Well, I'd still lose this premium, but I will gain whatever gains above 212.5 that Apple has. All right, so if it goes to 313 instead of 312.5, if it goes to 313, then I'd get $50, and then I'd lose my premium at 89. Okay, that's how it works. If it goes to 314, I'd get $150, I'd lose 89. All right, so that's how the call debit spread works. It works very well if you're a little bit bullish, not a lot bullish. Because if you're a lot bullish and you think it's just gonna spike up and skyrocket, then obviously you wouldn't do this. You would just buy a call. But you do this in order to reduce the premium yet participate in most of the gains. So it's a very smart thing to do, especially if you are doing it on a stock with a nice uptrend like Apple. So this exact trade might be a good thing to do right now if the market keeps going up and you have the conviction that it's going to keep going up. So, but of course, this is not financial advice, and I don't do financial advice to just help you out. I'm just a regular investor, just like all y'all. I'm just doing, I'm just documenting this journey to $1 million for various reasons. And in the meantime, I thought I'd just share some of the experiences and values and lessons that I've learned over the years doing this. So hopefully you all got something from that. You can try this trade. You can also try it on the way down. I'll probably make the next video about this. So yeah, let me know what kind of trades you put out. I really like Robinhood's interface for option trading. It's super simple and easy to understand, and it's really easy to even teach other people to do it, and kind of takes the intimidation factor out of options away, in a sense. Anyway, let me know if what you do with the options, whether or not you've used this type of strategy before, whether you plan on using it. And I'm just interested to hear from other users and other investors about all these topics. So again, sorry I'm a little sick, but it is what it is. All right, I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to make it a short video today. So hopefully I'll make another one over the weekend and explain something else. All right, that's it for now. Peace out.